Today I'm going to talk about planting and growing bananas in a simple, practical way, the way it actually works. Bananas are one of the easiest crops to manage when the location is chosen correctly. They adapt to different soils, but they perform much better with good sunlight, regular water availability, and enough space to grow. Planting bananas in poor drainage or tight spaces creates problems later. The setup matters. The first step is choosing the right spot. Bananas need sun for most of the day. They can tolerate some shade, but production will drop. The soil must drain well. If water stands after rain, that area is not suitable. On sloped land, planting on contour or using small barriers helps keep water and soil in place. Planting holes do not need to be deep. They only need to be wide and deep enough to fit the rhizome comfortably. One common mistake is planting too deep. When the rhizome is buried too much, growth slows and rot can occur. The plant should be stable, covered, but not suffocated. After planting, soil cover makes a big difference. Dry leaves, cut grass, and plant residues help retain moisture and protect the soil surface. Bananas do not like exposed soil. Covered ground leads to stronger and faster development. During the first months, growth is fast. Large leaves emerge and quickly begin shading the ground. Even before producing fruit, banana plants are already improving the environment by reducing water loss and stabilizing the soil. As the plant grows, suckers begin to appear around the main stem. This is where many growers make mistakes. Allowing too many suckers weakens the clump. The ideal management is to keep only a few plants, one producing, one growing, and one younger plant preparing to replace the next cycle. This simple system ensures continuous production. Suckers should be removed early, while they are still small. Early removal saves energy. Cut them cleanly at ground level. Avoid pulling them out roughly, which can damage the main plant. Fertilization can remain simple. Bananas respond very well to organic matter. Well-composted manure, compost, and plant residues work effectively. There is no need for excess. Consistent feeding is more important than heavy applications. When the plant enters the reproductive stage, the pseudostem is already well formed. The bunch emerges from the center and gains weight quickly. In windy areas or with heavy bunches, supporting the plant may be necessary to prevent it from falling. Harvest timing is important. Bananas should not be harvested when ripe on the plant. The correct time is when the fruits are fully formed but still green. Ripening happens off the plant, more evenly and with fewer losses. After harvest, the plant that produced will not fruit again. It should be cut down. This material is not waste. Leaving it on the ground, chopped if possible, returns nutrients to the soil and supports the next generation of plants. While one cycle ends, another is already in progress. That is why banana is a continuous crop. With simple, regular management, it produces year-round, improves soil conditions, and requires relatively low effort. The key is observation, basic management, and avoiding unnecessary intervention. Banana cultivation does not need to be complicated. It needs space, organic matter, and consistent care. Following these principles leads to stable production and a stronger system over time.